Hey everyone, my name is Maisha and I'm a Sephora Beauty Director.
Hi, I'm David, also a beauty director here at Sephora, and this is a really fun video. We have 4 exclusive new products at Sephora that are designed to enhance, awaken, and define your eyes. I'm sure you can guess what they are: brows and mascara.
The first thing we're going to be talking about is brows, because I think brows just kind of frame your face. So this is a Sephora Collection retractable brow pencil. This has been around for a little while, but recently they have added new shades. So if you have red hair and you're wanting an auburn shade, or you have black hair or deeper skin and you want that like soft black that shows up really well, you can do that. I'm more of a medium brown person. So this is medium brown, which I really like. It has this tiny little tip on it. And you can do these little hair-like strokes like I kind of did in my brow here. I don't really have a lot of hair here, so I like to just do like little vertical lines here. And it just like wakes up my brow. You comb it and you're done. And it gives you this really great shape. And I find if you don't have a lot of brow, using a slightly lighter color than you think makes it so you don't overwhelm your face, if that makes sense.
Well, you just brought up a really good point, which was you said you're more of a medium brown, and you look at your hair tone. You have dark hair. A lot of people would naturally color match you to something darker in their mind, and the reality is when you're choosing a brow color, you always want to go a little shade lighter. Because you're adding to something that's already there. So it's really in nature gonna get much darker. So you don't wanna go too dark where it just overwhelms the whole face. And that's a really good point.
If I have a makeup look on where I want darker brows, I'll just use a darker brow gel because it's a lot more subtle, but I stick to the medium brow.
Another brow product, incredible product from Huda Beauty. This is Balm Brows Micro Shade Brow Pencil. Now this is a really cool new product exclusive to Sephora. And when they say micro, they really mean micro.
It's tiny.
This is a teeny tiny little pencil. Now what I will tell you with this, the best way to use a product like this when it's such a fine pencil is to really only have a little bit of the product peeking out from the applicator. This way you don't put too much pressure on it and break it, and it'll actually work better for you this way. The ability to create these micro fine stroked hairs. I mean, you can literally create like a microbladed brow. It's really incredible. So this is really great for anyone who loves that microbladed look or really wants that perfected feathered brow effect where they don't want a thick full brow per se, but they want great shape. They want to add actual brow hairs. This is a fantastic product. I mean, I have to say, I was really impressed with the precision of the application. Overall, I just think as a product, it's a fantastic way to achieve that professional grade, microbladed, super beautiful, hyper realistic brow filling in with this. So love it, love this. Balm brows. Okay, Maisha, take us into mascara.
I love mascara. I've told you all this before. I love mascara, and I don't mess with the mascara unless it volumizes. So we really wanted to show you 2 different volumizing mascaras because I just feel like volumizing mascara brings all the drama. And once you play with it a little bit, you can get precision, you can get lengthening, you can get that curl effect, but you can really load it up and get this like false lash look. So this is from Bite Beauty. This is the Upswing Full Volume Mascara. I've been wearing this around the house. I still haven't really gone anywhere, and I just love how fluttery and pretty my lashes look. I like the wand because volumizing mascaras tend to have like an hourglass shaped wand, and that way that sort of divot that goes down lower, that gets to the root of your lashes, so you can like go in there and pull and get volume from the root to the tip. And I really like that I can turn it vertical and kind of get in there and sort of perfect, because my inner corner eyelashes are almost non-existent. They're so tiny and they're so fine that I really have to get in there in detail. It's clean as all of Bite Beauty's products are, so that's really nice if you want a mascara that's clean at Sephora. It's vegan, which is also really great too. And I'm really into it. You know me, mascara. Very picky.
I love about Bite Beauty is that, you know, they started the company solely doing lipsticks, clean lipsticks, and they really pioneered that industry. But it wasn't subtle, it was really bold lips, and they really took that with this mascara, the first mascara that they launched. It's not a soft, you know, not there mascara. It's really an incredible formula for full drama and volume, and it really ties into this beautiful idea that clean makeup can also be glamorous and artistry driven and really, really high performance, and that's exactly what you get from this. I agree with you. It's a wonderful mascara. Really, really good. So the final product from Sephora collection, we're featuring a lot of great Sephora collection in this video. This is Size Up mascara. This is also a great volumizing mascara. Again, you can see that beautiful hourglass shape to the brush. This is also a vegan formula. What I really love about this is, it's like Maisha said, volumizing mascaras are a great way to instantly create that definition around the eye, but you have an option to build with them. It's kind of like a full coverage foundation that you can shear down and, you know, just do a little bit of coverage, or you can bring it up to full coverage. You can do that absolutely with volumizing mascaras. The key is making sure that the formula matches with the brush, and with this particular mascara, it's a beautiful marriage between the formula, which is really lightweight and airy. It's like a moussey kind of texture, so it doesn't feel heavy. So you can really apply this formula, get a lot of volume, but it's not gonna weigh your lashes down, which a lot of times can be a problem for people who have longer, heavier, or naturally downward lashes. You know, if you add too much volumizing heaviness, it actually just falls. This does not. That little curve in there, like Maisha said, is really great to get that product right to the root, and it also helps to kind of curve and lift the lashes a little bit, which is really, really great. And my tip with volumizing mascaras, and this is kind of almost across the board for all of them, is especially when the product is new, make sure you take off a lot of that product before that first coat. And the reason is these bristles on these brushes are so perfectly formulated to handle this formula, and they can really separate the lashes along the way of the application. But when the beginning, this is filled with so much product that the brush can be a little bit extra coated. So just scraping off some of it will actually allow you to keep your mascara a little bit longer. You'll have a little bit more product, but it also allows you to start that first coat a little more feathery. And if you get a feathery first coat, it allows you to go and keep adding without getting any of that clumping. So that's what I love it. It's a really easy, it's a really great mascara, and it is full volume. Size it up, baby.
Okay, so there you go. David and I's tips for you is, like, you know, do your brows and lashes. It's a great pick-me-up. And you can definitely see the difference that it makes. Like, just mascara, it's just, oh my god, it's just the best thing. And of course, sometimes when things are a little bit off, you just fill in your brows a little bit. It makes a huge difference. And remember, these are exclusive to Sephora. You can only get them here. So get on your app, go in a store, and you can pick them up. And if you have some faves, you can go ahead and shout them out in the comment section.
And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can see new great videos like this from us every single week. And until next time, check out these fantastic brow and mascara products. I guarantee you they're gonna fall right into place in your beauty routine, and you're gonna feel that much more gorgeous. Take care, everyone. Bye.